Hello guys, this is GK from your weekly investment channel. Good morning, happy Monday. The markets are not looking that good. I think the selling is continuing. We also saw some pre-market movers like Walmart and Home Depot. They are from retail industry. I think they're not doing well. So the market is kind of down, down, and down. I think at least the pre-market, it has kind of taken off the 404, 405 level. Let's see how the markets are doing right now to, to assess if it is, even going to be anything useful for the short-term players. For long-term, yeah, definitely. Anything that goes down, look at some value stocks and try to pull a trigger on it, and add to your positions. You know, but for short-term players, I think the markets are directionless, other than selling off. Um, I think on Friday I saw that the market bounced off from lows. Pre-market it was really bad, and then post-market I think it bounced off the lows. So I need to really check on the markets to see if there is a pattern here. I think look at the market, guys. I think I've drawn a trend line here. It is kind of you know if you look at the line trend line here, it is definitely not going anywhere. They're selling it at the top of the market. If you look at it on Friday, it bounced off of the low, but today the lows are even lower than on Friday's range, at least pre-market, right? So I don't think people are going to, you know, pull it back above the Friday's range unless there is some market moving news. I do have a feeling that this is shaping up to be to a down market, down day. So even if you slice it either way, it looks like it is not, it's not doing anything good other than selling. The sellers are here. Um, let's The Friday's range is like this, right? It is around 1250, something like that. Around 1250, the market bounced off and it went up to 407. But if you look at on a daily chart, and let me zoom in a daily chart, um, it is below the prior day's range, right? That is on 216, that is on Thursday. Um, it was it was 407, the lowest, and look at the highs is 407 on Friday. So this is what is called lower lows. It is not even in the range, the prior day's range, and it did not take up anywhere on the prior days, like the prior week, right? The last this position was on 410, this particular range, right? 405 to 407. Still, it is lower. So I think we should see a trend lower, closing down to 400 today. Then it is definitely going to be a bearish pattern. It completely, sellers are here. I mean bearish in the sense it's definitely not doing good to any of the short-term investors, but long-term players should definitely look for value stocks. Coming back to crude oils, guys, I think crude oil looks good. It did not, go down to 76, go down below 76. So I don't have any issues with that. But if the oils are low, you guys are going to be happy at the pump, right? But again, does the oil prices relate to the strength of the economy? Definitely yes. Right. Let's look at the gold prices, guys. Gold prices looks like it is tapered around 1826. I think this is where we have to look at it. The peak was 1976, and it has given up about 150 bucks now. Um, so gold is not doing anything other than it has peaked up and going sideways, trying to consolidate. Probably it is going to go up. So gold is also good. How about copper? Um, the copper futures seems to be going up. It's not looking bearish. The highs were $5, and now it is around $4.21. So it looks good. Let's look at the natural gas. Natural gas is again the lowest, $7.06. So you know this is looking really bearish because of the weather, I guess. But other than that, it does not have anything to do with the economy, at least for now. Um, so net, I think the markets are not in a great shape, guys, to start the week with. But you never know where these guys are going to pull a trigger and bring it up. But at this point, it looks like pretty bearish to me. It was, last week we saw that the markets were bouncing up the 50% fib, but today it has gone down. So let's look at some of the pre-market movers. Home Depot is one of them that is being moved to 306. Let's look at intraday chart. I think it has gone down to 303 and it's bounced up a little bit, 306. If you look at it on a daily chart, it is going sideways, guys. There's nothing happening here. If you draw a line here, Home Depot is one of the best companies. With the spring season starting, I do have a feeling that if the markets are strong, this will definitely go up. But if you look at it, the line, the trend line, it is around 305 is the line of the sand. It's got based on 306. What I mean by 305 line in the sand, it has been trading since November in this range, right? So if you look at it again on the top of the channel, it is 341 to 300, right? Around this range, it's been trading since November. But it did have a low of 264 last June. So it should stay in this range because it has. If you look at November after the earnings, it did go sideways. This one quarter it is going sideways. So now with the earnings, it is a little weaker. So what's going to happen is something we need to wait and see. Right? Next is Walmart, big box retailer, right? It's also down. Let's look at 1 day 5 minutes. I think it's 139. It just bounced off from 139. Now it's 143. About $4 bounce. I think it's good. Walmart has been performing well from the lows 117. Then it has gone up to 154, and now it is trading 140. I think it still looks healthy to me than other retailers. So, but definitely these are the market. These are the pre-market. Earnings reports that is really pushing the markets down. But net for intraday traders, it's going to be a volatile session. It is definitely going to touch the 400 range, if not today, this week. So let's see how the day starts, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon on another video.